two standout AI powerhouses in media. Only one can claim the crown. Runway or PlayHT? Which one really delivers? On the left, Runway, cinematic AI video creation, built for pros. And on the right, PlayHT, authentic AI voice generation for creators of every kind. Let's skip the hype and get straight to what matters. We'll award points across key categories. And at the end, reveal who comes out on top. The result might just surprise you. Okay, let's lay it all out. Here's a mind map of everything we're going to break down today. Core function, target audience and use case, price and accessibility, technical control, speed and usability, and finally, ecosystem and integrations. Simple, right? Let's jump into each one. All right, scene one, core function. Runway is all about video. Think text to video, image to video, even video to video. Super cinematic stuff. Lighting, camera moves, wild transitions, you name it. Oh, and here's the catch. They don't do audio or voices at all. Now switch over to PlayHT. This one's basically the king of AI voice. You type it, you hear it. Tons of realistic voices, voice cloning, and yep, you can scale it with their API. But if you want visuals or any sort of video, sorry. Nope. You see the pattern here, right? Each one kinda does its own thing. And honestly, they're both top-notch at what they do. Moving to target audience and use case. Runway is like digital candy for filmmakers, YouTubers, social media peeps, basically anyone who dreams in video. Amazing for pre-visualization, trailers, storyboarding. If you're only working with audio though, yeah, it won't really help. Now PlayHT, what a twist, it's like the voice backbone for podcasters, business folks, accessibility pros. You want AI-powered voiceovers, audiobooks, or to jazz up your website support? PlayHT is your go-to, but don't expect it to edit or generate any video magic. All right, let's talk money, price, and accessibility. So, Runway. It's got nice, clear subscription tiers, and you get access to their crazy good models like Gen 3 and Gen 4. But, no free tier. And those cinematic videos, they might rack up some costs, especially if you go big. On the flip side, PlayHT is pretty generous. They've got both pay-as-you-go and subs, plus a free tier you can play with. Just heads up, all the fancy advanced voices, that's going to cost extra. Honestly, for most folks, PlayHT feels easier to dip your toes in. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Runway ML actually helped indie filmmakers pre-visualize major scenes, and PlayHT, it powers thousands of podcasts every single month. So yeah, these tools aren't just hype. They're out there, making real waves in 2025. Scene change, technical control. So, Runway's wild. You can tweak keyframes, mess with camera style, go full-on director mode. Super granular, but yeah, it can be a bit daunting for newbies. PlayHT keeps it simple. You can adjust pitch, emotion, speed, and their UI and API are really beginner-friendly. That said, all your control is basically voice only, so you're not editing visuals, scenes, or anything like that. If you want ultimate control for video, Runway's the winner. Next up, speed and usability. Runway's pretty slick for short videos, like impressively fast. And their newer models are pushing for near real-time stuff. But if you want longer cinematic pieces, you might be waiting a few more minutes than you like. With PlayHT though, voice clips generate almost instantly. The onboarding is super simple. You're ready to roll in minutes. The only tiny catch is for mega projects, you'll want to use their API. For most users, PlayHT takes this one for speed. Last big scene. Ecosystem and integrations. Runway offers some cool creative app tie-ins, plus API access if you're that kind of techie. But heads up, it's pretty visual focused, so there's no built-in pipeline for audio-visual mixes. Now, PlayHT, this is where it shines. Their API is everywhere. Podcasts, support bots, accessibility plugins, tons of SDKs and integrations to help you pop voices wherever you want. If you want to do anything video related, you'll need other tools. But for audio, PlayHT's ecosystem is just huge. Let's pause and check out this side-by-side radar chart. Runway dominates in visual control and cinematic features, while PlayHT totally rules in voice tech, speed, accessibility, and ecosystem. It's visually obvious who pulls ahead where. So, bottom line, Gotta say, if you're chasing unbelievable AI video or want to experiment with creative visuals, Runway is your ticket. But if you need authentic, flexible voice and audio for podcasts, YouTube, or customer support, PlayHT just makes it stupid easy. Honestly, you'll know which fits your workflow the second you try them. Alright, what do you guys think? Which AI media tool fits your creative process better? Hit that star, share your experiences, and come back for all the big updates in 2026.